Dr. Sandeep, I told, he is one of the few working in structures, which is most important. Actually, we have ignored, like Dr. Atul told about storage. I have seen nobody is there in storage in agriculture. Very few you can count. Like recently, now we are doing a storage structure for onion storage. Like I told you, some students are doing in Parbani. They use puff material, and all the guys are from IIT Bombay. No agriculture engineer. So the question is, we have to have more. So he's very strong and very good in polyhouses. He has experience for long, and I know him for quite some time. But last 4 years, I know he sent 2 students to me for doing the projects on polyhouse with electronics, with automation to show. And I think I welcome Dr. Sandeep Jain, and thank you very much for accepting. The floor is yours, Dr. Sandeep.
Thank you, sir. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, you come a little bit closer to the mic, if possible.
Sir, by mobile also I have tried to join. So if you let me in, then it will be better.
Yeah, 1 second.
Mobile speaker is better.
Yeah. Let you in, but echo will come, so one you must turn off the mic.
Now, is it, sir, voice is okay?
Yes, it's very good.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Actually, sir, students are from UG also, or only PG, PhD?
Third year BTech and some postgraduate also there.
Okay. Thank you. I must thank you.
You are achieving them all UG level and postgraduate. Don't worry. You want to listen to me what you have done in processing and structures, everything. Your normal, what you tell to students. Go ahead, please. You can make a presentation. There is a button called share on the top line.
Sir, shall I continue?
Yeah, please. You can share your presentation if you have also.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yes, presentation is visible.
Okay, sir.
If you want, we can make it slideshow. It will be better.
Yes, sir. Is it visible, sir? Yeah.
Yes, it's visible. If you want to make, you can make slideshow. Otherwise, also it's okay.
Okay, sir. Actually, dear students, good afternoon, and teachers also, good afternoon to all of you. I am thankful to Dr. Syed sir for giving me this opportunity to the good students or the university which we have heard that TNAU is one of the best to guide to talk with those students. Sir, I am working in the farm structural engineering department, as you might have heard, all the students. In general, in Maharashtra, there are 6 departments: farm power machinery, processing. Actually, sir told me to motivate for and something about entrepreneurship and something about technical bamboo houses and all that. So I don't know how I have organized the matter, but just I am going through that in Maharashtra 6 departments are there: farm machinery, processing, irrigation drainage, soil water, renewable energy, and farm structural engineering. Okay, we are offering master's degree, and probably we are first at Dapoli and Akola College, Panjabrao Deshmukh Akola University, who are offering a master degree in agriculture structures and environment management. Actually, before 4 5 years, in ICR also they have started the different divisions, processing different and agriculture structures different. Also, we are in the process of starting PhD, and it is in the process. Okay, so
1 second, I have an announcement for them to make. Dear students, your biryani is coming. Yes. So you'll be happy now. I got confirmation. It may come around to no problem. Will be. Please continue. Dr. Sandeep, today is they all wish me it and they want a biryani. So please go ahead.
Yes, sir. Actually, sir told me that Syed sir told me that you have to motivate the student. So simply few lines about that, which we were doing in our college. And once upon a time, the Dapoli college were having in gate first and second ranks. So at that time, we have started that party pencil pattern, means slate and pencil. By it was incorporated just to so that the students do practice more and more and more practice. Okay.
The
Actually,
slides are not
another
moving. The slides
pardon.
are not moving. The presentation is not moving.
Yeah, actually, I was talking about this thing, sir. Then regarding punctuality, we were insisting that if practical class is of 2 hours, then it should last for 2 hours only. It should not wind up within an hour or so, isn't it? Then for competitive exams, we used to take practice tests, and not only for competitive exams, but for semester and exams also. We used to take practice tests. One more scheme we have started for the poor students in our college, earn while learn, so that the poor students, if somebody are having hurdle or they could not able to concentrate on the studies due to earnings, then the college was giving support by taking some work from them. We used to give them practice for engineering drawing in such a way that we put in front of them say manual paddy thresher and ask the students to draw the isometric view. So the students were capable of thinking, and then they were able to put up the drawings. Actually, this 2 days training which Dr. Syed is taking, in that coding, electronics, all that are will be taught to you. So, in this regards, I will like to tell you that some of our students, when they clear BTech and go for MTech in IITs and that, then they try to learn coding by themselves, or sometimes they join the classes, isn't it? So that they can learn the coding, or they can get a knowledge of electronics, sensors, actuators, and all that, or some type of different softwares, so as to apply their knowledge of agriculture, engineering, or they may shift to the other fields also. Okay, so in ICR also, there was one drive that application of electronics and computers in agriculture. It is most important. So with this background, I would like to start my this thing presentation, that this in generally agriculture structures are affected by the uh, wind speed, cyclone prone area, and they should able to bear dead load, wind load, snow load, and all that. That's why a simple data is given over here of the Konkan region. Uh, Especially we do not compare with the civil engineers. So what we did, that our agricultural product, that is bamboo, that we have started working in that. And from entrepreneurship point of view, this bamboo is very useful for small scale industries. Bamboo handicrafts can be made and sold. Bamboo furnitures can be made and sold, and bamboo houses or bamboo poly houses or other structures, small structures, can also be made of the bamboo, and they are sustainable. Okay, so in if you want to grow in this business, then let me give you one example, that in Maldives, one company from our India got contracts, and they have prepared or constructed big resorts which are floating in the water, or on the ground also. They have prepared multi-story bamboo resorts, and people give 4 or 5 times more money for residing in this type of bamboo resorts, because it gives them pleasure. Even in Pune also, there is one hotel which is made up of bamboo and all that interiors. So people like to go there and take same tea. which they can take somewhere other place also. And in this way, so we are going to many species are there. These are some lucky bamboos are also there. Uh, Generally, some let me tell you. Yes, sir.
Sandeep, sorry to interrupt. There is no slides you are not showing at all. Only title slide is there. Okay.
Okay. These are
Only
some.
title. Only your name is visible on the slide.
It is not running.
Okay, you check to it and 20 minutes, yeah, 12:30 another speaker is there.
Sir.
Your slide is moving?
Yeah, no. Now it is
Yes,
moving.
now it's moving. Okay, okay. Go ahead.
No, it is not moving. I think, sir, instead of slideshow, I will keep it like this only. Here are the some physical properties of
No
bamboo.
problem.
Okay. Which the main good thing here is that you can harvest the matured bamboo within 3 to 5 years only, and you can use it commercially. Whereas if you want to use other wood, then at least 10 to 50 years you have to wait for getting the good wood. Okay. So total world production of bamboo is of about 10,000 million tons, and India is the second largest producer. Uh, in Asia, it has 65% of bamboo, and out of that, 30% is from India. And in India also, about 28% bamboo comes from the northeastern region. Okay, uh, it has very economical importance because current estimated trade in bamboo is of about 20 billion dollars. Okay, and it may in India also it by 2015, though it is the old data, 26,000 crores potential is there. Okay. Like we have heard that roti, kapda or makan, in the same way, bamboo can fulfill all the needs of food also, fiber also, and residence also. So it is a very good carbon sequestering tree, which releases of about 35% more oxygen. Okay, it prevents soil erosion also. Uh, but the main problem with it is when if it is not chemically treated, then it has affected by fungus, termites, borers, and all that. And in this way, its structural properties are wasted. So chemical treatment is must for them. And here are the IS codes are there. According to that, the chemical treatments in different proportion, different liquids are there that we can use for external purpose of the bamboo also, and for internal purpose of the bamboo also. Internal means inside the house or like that. These are the few methods by which the chemical treatment can be done. The very old traditional method of sap removal from the bamboo is to keep it in the flowing water for 2-3 months. Then Bouchery method is there. In chemical, the green bamboos are kept standing, and they suck the sap, suck the this thing chemical water and get treated, chemically treated. In bamboo pressure plant also, within 6 to 8 hours by the vacuum method, we can treat the bamboos of larger quantity, more than 100 quantities at a time. This bamboo pressure unit we have developed at Dapoli, in which 6 bamboos with full length and such type of joining mechanism is there. By that we can treat at very small pressure of 1.5 kg per centimeter square, and within 3 to 5 hours we can treat the bamboo. If some farmer is there, do not want to spend much, then he can cut the oil drum vertically, weld it horizontally, and in that also they can treat the bamboos. For treating them in such by dipping in the by this dipping process, one has to drill of 3 holes at both the ends of both the internodes, and then such a CCB solution, copper chrome boron solution, in 10% paste in 100 liters of water shall be prepared, and in such type of thing or this thing covered, plastic covered trench, one can treat the bamboos. So IS codes are there, for proper IS codes are there for each and every test. For the bamboo also, these are the samples. We can take compression test, shear test, and fracture behavior has to be studied because it is a biological material, and such type of modulus of elasticity, rupture, crushing stress, etc. for different bamboos shall be determined, and according to that we have to design for their this thing structures. So bamboo greenhouses we can design. Uh, uh, See here, you can the span is of 8 meter, which is quite large, and about one support is given in between. 24-meter length is there, and such type of bamboo poly house we can construct. Okay, the foundation is very simple. Uh, the cement spoils the soil, so that's why PVC covering is there, in which mortar is kept and bamboo is inserted in that, chemically treated bamboo. By chemically treating the bamboo, we can guarantee the life of the bamboo increases from 10 years to 100 years or more than that. Okay. So in this way, foundation is there, easy to work with the bamboo. And even if some part gets damaged, then easily you can replace it. And cost as compared to GI pipes is also very much less. So it is we can use them. One more project we did on the clear polyfilm and diffused polyfilm, and we have found that uh, it maintains higher temperature in the diffused polyfilm. Higher light intensity is obtained because light reaches in the diffused manner to the bottom part of the plant also, leaves also, and that's why the cucumber yield which we received was 18.9% higher than the clear polyfilm. Another things, bamboo shed net house we can prepare. Simple joints, the joining of the bamboo is made not by with the help of nails, because if you put the nail inside the bamboo, then it will split the bamboo. So that's why drill the bamboo and then put nut bolts in that. So the whole thing is fixed. We have conducted trainings also, maybe of handicraft training, maybe of furniture training, or structures training. Okay, steel furniture is very cheap as compared to the bamboo furniture. It is 4 to 5 times higher rates are there for a bamboo sofa set, chair, dressing table, and all that. Bamboo houses we have made. For that, such type of bamboo house has been made, and chemically treated bamboos were used. In the foundation, we have used some bricks, and on the top we have used GI sheets that can also be covered with the help of rubber sheets. Okay, so that noise will not come, and we found that it has better environmental pleasure or comfort for the human beings inside as compared to the cement concrete houses. This is the interior of that, and these are the bamboo mat boards. These bamboo mat boards are made with the help of making sleeves, and then they are weaved, and then they are hot pressed to just in the same fashion as plywood is made. Plywood is made up of wooden shavings and or powder, and here it is made up of bamboo sleeves, and bamboo fibers are very strong, and that's why these bamboo mat boards are very good and don't have any effect of fungus, borer, and all that. Then another with the different roof shapes, bamboo houses were made of 200 square feet, 300 square feet, and 400 square feet with different roof shapes. And we got about 1200 rupees per square feet construction cost for these things, all the bamboo houses. And if interior is also included in that, these are some of the pictures of the families, and they love to stay here. This we have commercially opened in the university campus. Uh, the thing which I would like to highlight over here is There was a cyclone in 2021 called Nisarg. At wind speed were having 140 kilometer per hour. So on the sidewards of this bamboo house, the trees were uprooted. Though small trees or big trees, both were uprooted, but the bamboo houses could were not damaged. Here you can also see. Here also you can see. So in this way, we can make a sustainable structure. Okay. Then we did some project on color shade net also. One mini plots of small sizes with the red, white, green, silver, black, and control like this. Uh, Shade nets were used, and we have tried to get the results for the tulsi. So you can see that so many branches, good results were obtained in the red one. Uh, Good branches were there, leaves were there, and like this. For radish also, red and silver given good results. For capsicum also, red and silver give good results. Then with the help of Dr. Syed and their company and their associates, we have completed one MTech project of making the naturally side curtain mechanism to make it automatic, naturally ventilated house. In this, generally, what happens? The farmer do either keep the side ventilators open or keep it closed because they don't have time that according to the temperature or humidity inside they should open and close the side ventilators, isn't it, side curtains. So that's why with the help of sir, one they have given Arduino package or controller box and all that, and with the help of battery and some with the help of some sensors, uh, the thing this thing was operated according to the temperature. That temperature we can set with our mobile also, isn't it? And that gives the beauty or means the drudgery is reduced of the farmer, that if automatically the environment can be controlled in the naturally ventilated poly houses, isn't it? I can show you there this thing.